Hello friends, today we will look Gamble-Gram of plasma, interstitial and intracellular fluid, and this will give idea about anion and cation in relation to all these three compartments. So first of all we will talk about the plasma. In relation to plasma, when we are talking about positively charged molecule or cation, so sodium, that is the main cation in the plasma. Second one, that is the potassium. So normal range of sodium, that is 135 to 145 millimole per liter, while for the potassium 3.5 to 5 millimole per liter. And main anion in the plasma, that is chloride and bicarbonate. Chloride, that is ranging from 96 to 106 millimole per liter, while for the bicarbonate, that is about 22 to 26 millimole per liter, and it is mainly responsible for the bicarbonate buffer system. Now in relation to interstitial fluid and intracellular, interstitial fluid, that is just similar like a plasma, but overall concentration of sodium and potassium somewhat higher. Same way value of this anion, that is chloride and bicarbonate, that is somewhat higher as compared to the plasma. But picture of this Gamble-Gram in relation to intracellular, that is quite different. So main cation means main positively charged molecule in the intracellular, means inside the cell, that is the potassium. It is quite different from the plasma and interstitial fluid. When we are talking about main anion inside the cell, and that is the phosphate, so which is also different in relation to plasma and interstitial fluid, which is chloride. So chloride is the main anion for this plasma and interstitial fluid, but main anion means main negatively charged molecule for the inside the cell, that is phosphate. Second most important negatively charged molecule, that is protein inside the cell. While concentration of bicarbonate and chloride, that is quite lower in comparison to plasma and interstitial fluid. So this Gamble-Gram will give idea about the distribution of this positively charged molecule, means cation and anion, in relation to plasma, interstitial fluid and intracellular fluid. So that will sometime ask in the Viva or MCQ as well as in the exam. So that you have to keep in mind that level of anion and cation in relation to plasma, interstitial fluid and intracellular fluids. So that's all about Gamble-Gram.